Anybody? I guess not. I hope. Oh, here we go. We found the other one. I'm not sure if I should go back for the other one that I left behind. Oh no, this is fine. I guess there's extras just in case you missed something. Hello? Come on, there's something bound to happen soon. I'm just waiting for that. Yeah, I know it kind of sucks though because it makes this video a lot more boring than it should be. Hello? I see how they put music in here. That's kind of dumb though. That doesn't sound correct. It's all loud, and then when you just reach here, boom, completely off. Something happening around that room. While I'm waiting for her. Guess not. Something going on in that room. Something rolling or... Not like we have an inventory or anything anyways. Alright, let's go back down. Anything going on in here? I can't jump in here. Something's bound to happen. I'm just waiting for it, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Freaking thunder. Is that gate open now? Hello? Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn it! Oh man, that was so loud. I jumped, didn't I? I jumped. I want to see myself when I jump right now again. It's not like the third jump scare I had right now. And most of it is just freaking loud noises, man. You just say I'm gonna try not to swear, but I always do anyways. Oh man, that was loud. I'm telling you, with these headphones are makes you immerse in this thing like tremendously. Hello? I'm kinda tired carrying this entire way. I'm serious. There's two different ways to go. Oh, this one's locked. This was the only way to go. Oh, there's another one of those sound thingies over there. Oh man, wasn't there somebody walking here earlier? Hello? Oh man. Oh no! You dropped my thingy though. You hear that? Read my notes. Another confounded fuse box. A fellow is through in his sabotage. If somewhat repetitive, the stench from these sparrows is quite discomforting. I would certainly hope that whatever the chemistry this room is designed to store is not the defining feature of the flood that threatens my children. Come on, I just had my thing with me. Freaking thing. Can I have it back? You guys saw that, right? I thought why did it do that to me? I have to go all... No, it's just like the sounds. It's a lot. It's weird in this game. Oh man, I didn't even release that. I had it with me. I don't know what the heck happened. Oh man, maybe there's someone nearby. Hopefully there's something nearby. Hello? Right, I think they use the same sound, or at least one of them. I'm gonna look at the soundtrack of this game, if they have soundtracks. There we go. That was by accident, but I found it. Luckily I don't have to go back. Hopefully I don't want to drop this again. I have another note. The path is clear. It seems that the chemical processor is merely one part of a much larger complex. No easy route for me then. I will follow my fever, the cause of my children wherever they might lead me, as I move further into the strange empire. Is it me or there's someone over there? Do you see that? Is it just me? Right guys? Is it the thing over there where my little dot is at? Looks like somebody. Hold on though, there's something in here though. Maybe it leads me down there. I think that's where it leads me. Or would have led me. There's a note here though. August 19, 1899. Van Wakenback and Wakenback writes of the Odic Force, whilst that ignorant charlatan Blavatsky pontificated upon the soul. They are both cretins. To think one could strive for such great strength, for such great heights without wading first through puking innard, without standing upon an architectural bones. Montezuma was the wiser. But here, in our temples of steel, I have witnessed the several head of a man, weaselly trampled to death by a runaway carriage. Immersed in the solution of the Brandenburg compound, opened his eyes. Oh, Brandenburg. Opened his eyes and cried, "Oh, where are my legs, sir? Where is my body? We are breaking through the barriers of death itself. Oh, my dead darling Lily, is it too late for you, but I promise you this. I will save our children from death, and if need be, I will wrench them back from the blackness with this wonderful concoction." I mentioned Brandenburg, and I don't think we are in Brandenburg, are we? Look at that, it's just moved. I'm not sure if I touched it though. Actually, I gotta read this, where this place is located. I read it was like maybe like oh, that does not sound good. Our lantern was just okay. That is something we can interact with. Anyways, let's continue up, shall we? Why does it do that? I read that it doesn't turn off on you. Oh man, is that person still there? Or is it just me seeing things? Hello, are you a person? Oh, it was my kid. It's one of my boys. I knew it was somebody. I understand why they're running away from me though. I don't. It's a little bit weird. I'm weirded out by that.
Follow us, Papa. We know the way.
Why don't you wait for me, hold my hand, and take me with you? That sounds like a good idea. Seems like you guys are not even scared of going through here. I'm scared. Scared. Crap on my pants too and everything. My pants! That's all I gotta do. Oh man. Alright, goodbye world. Goodbye. We're much deeper into this. There's something I don't want to do. Is there a reason why this is somewhat open? It's not like I could go through there anyways. And once I go down here, I won't be able to go back up. This is something I really want to do. What do you guys think? Alright, I can go back up anymore. Can I? Oh yes I can. Never mind guys, never mind. I thought that was the last to me. So
Hold still, for God's sake, hold still, child. Don't let it get into your eyes. I'm gonna rinse it out now. There. It will be fine, you just need to lie down. Enoch, look to your brother. How many times have I told you not to play in the cellar?
there's a flashback. I wish they would show like a picture or something. Anyways, I guess this is what happened when we made that really loud sound. This thing broke or something, or ripped apart or whatever. Trying to figure out if there's anything around here. Can I go back? Can I go this way? Guess not. Looks like it's similar to the other one, isn't it? The no, I don't know. I guess there's like two of them. Why am I back here again? Or is there another place that looks exactly like this one? I'm scared. It's been a while. There hasn't been anything scary going on. I expect one very soon. This one open now? I just don't know what made that. I don't know. I'm confused. Guess that oh, let's
I told you he'd come.
Extraordinary, quite extraordinary. And you built it all. The go, man. You have been busy.
It is wonderful how tragedy focuses the mind. What else was I to do? Fall into grief, pine and fade in my hopelessness? Why not then simply die in that jungle amongst those dead temples?
Okay. A whole bunch of rats, though. That makes sense, though. You're underground in this filthy place. It's bound to have freaking rats everywhere. Even if I can go through there, I guess that's the only way to go through. Oh no. Where am I going? Oh man, it's like feels creepy, like in a movie or something. This is the future. Imagine like this is a future machine that's gonna take me to the future, take me to safety. I guess the last thing is to press this, guys. Let's go. Gotta rinse out first. Clean myself. Okay. Just be like a ride, you know? You know, when you go inside those roller coasters, you just gotta hold this. Okay, what do I have to do now? Was that just rinsing me off? Guess the other one opens. Guess we gotta clean ourselves. Guess this stays on. Okay, how do I get out of here? How do I get out of here? Oh. Whatever. Okay. Okay, this part is completely different from everything else. It's not like I can stop it anyways. Well, anyways, guys, I think I'll end it here. Oh man, I should have like an evil laugh and everything. Oh, naked, nipples and everything. Anyways, guys, I'll end it here. Let's see where we're. Flood breach. Emergency shutdown in place. Huh. Man, look at that. I guess we just multiple machines in here. And that one's highlighted for some reason. I guess it's the flood breach or something that where we at. What I need is something bad to happen right now. I'm checking the room before I end it, guys, because I am tired. I need the middle one. Come on. There's nothing in there. Get out of here, chair. Chair. I can't even pronounce chair because I can't say the CH, guys. I apologize. Can't pronounce that for some reason. Probably you guys never noticed it or anything, but I should stay quiet or something. Anyways, guys, it was nothing really scary happened in this episode. I apologize. I mean, I can't really say it. I can't even apologize because it's not my fault. Let's just look, take a peek. Oh. Okay. So that's a new door. I guess it's a new door too. Oh no. Of course. I guess we're gonna go through that door. And next time we can play Amnesia, guys. I mean, I don't know. For me, it was scary. It was so loud. But anyways, the 5th time I tell you guys. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you liked the video. hope you enjoyed it. So, and I'll see you guys next time. Signing out.